सो वुमन के ऊपर जब वॉयलेंस होता है तो उसका इफेक्ट वुमन के ऊपर क्या होता है, तो मेंटली शी गेट मेंटली अफेक्ट, her mind means she start having a mentally effect on her mind, her mind get disturbed and some fear start happening, वो fear को वो जब face करती है then she get disturbed, so it gets mentally disturbed on her mind, on her mind, especially when it is a rape case and assaultation has been done. Then next is physical effect. She get physically hurt if wife is bettering in domestic violence. If wife is bettering, wife bettering is there. Physical assault by in-laws are there. So physically effect is there on her body. Physical effect means the effect which is there on the body. Then next is the effect on health. When there is a malnutrition and all, in that cases, it directly get effects on the health of the woman. Okay, when the husbands and their own parents proper food is not given, proper care is not taken of that girl child, it gets effect on their health. Social effects on the victims are also there. Victims can also get affected socially. How? Because suppose if that is a case of rape case, so in this society, the woman is not able to comfortably free to roam in the society. Either she has fear in her mind or the society is not cooperating with that girl. They keep on gossiping and also that has social effects on the victim. Effect on the family member of the victim is also there. Highly family member is also get it affected when there is a woman violence happening in the society. Effect on the society, how it's happened, ki adversely effect means society also get fear if something happens like that way in this society, हमारे neighborhood में ऐसे कुछ हुआ रहेगा तो it gets fear to that person also, हमें भी डर लगने लगता है. Suppose if there is rape case happen in our locality, so our parents and we girl child also has fear to come out of the house. Parents also feel insecure to let that child go out of the house. So in period of time तक society भी disturb हो जाती है. So it gets effect on the society too. Okay, so these are some violence against women, effect of violence against women, what is happening. Next, we are talking about is steps to prevent the violence. What all steps are taken to just get prevent from the violence? So first step what they took is enforcement of law. The very first step is enforcement of law. They had forced the law. पहले कुछ law नहीं था, बाद में उन्होंने laws बनाए for all discrimination according to the violence is happening. According to the discrimination, they had made the law. Legal representation is like government should provide women a legal representation and opportunity for free justice. लड़कियों को भी justice मिलना चाहिए. ओके, ऐसे लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेशन बनाए गए हैं वुमन के रिलेटेड. नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वुमन, नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू मे जेंडर वाइज दे गिव अपॉर्चुनिटी, but according to the calibre they give the opportunity. So equal opportunity is there for women in the society. This has made an equal opportunity in case of payment, employee salaries and learning skills. Strict punishment, strict law has been made up for the punishment of doing any violences against women. Financial independence, they have made certain campaigns to have an education to provide the knowledge or to give information related to this. Ki women should get educated and finance should be given, free finance, should financially independent. The lady, a woman should stand financially independent. We call in normal language like अपने पैरों पे खड़ा रहना, is like that way. Ki financially that woman should also be independent, not depend on the male member or other family members. Aware of their rights. Certain campaigns have been organized by NGOs and government to make aware about the right of the woman. What all rights are there in the hand of the woman, that all they have provided. Making aware of the rights. The next we have women organization. Women organization is the form where the organization various experience level पे women को organization किया जाता है, उनको literally treat किया जाता है कि वो properly safe है यहाँ पे. So suppose in any domestic violence is happening in the woman, so NGOs are there to take away the woman from that certain situation and keep it in their NGOs. And बहुत सारे NGOs है रिलेटेड टू द वुमन, जो फाइनेंशियली डिपेंड हो जाए, विडोज के लिए, ओल्ड एज की वुमन के लिए, एंड ऑल्सो बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए हैं वुमन को. Then next you have self defense. Self defense means what? वुमन को सेल्फ डिफेंस ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड की जाती है कि सर्टन सिचुएशन अगर अराइज हो गई हो तो इन दैट केसेस हाउ वुमन आर गोइंग टू लिटरली बिहेव ऑन दैट केस, उसके अगेंस्ट वुमन कैसे बिहेव करेगी. तो समथिंग कराटे एंड सोशल एक्टिविटीज, सेल्फ डिफेंस ट्रेनिंग, सम एक्शंस दे taught to the woman. In that cases, how you are going to make free from yourself rather than asking help to other, how you are going to fight by yourself, and cleverly going out by yourself only from that situation such that nothing bad is happening to you. Next is social organization increases the awareness about the woman, highlights the problems and conditions what our women are facing, and they creates an awareness about the every right, their every part whatever is related to the woman, the a step which is to be taken against the woman for protecting her, every awareness is given. You have one woman grievance call also in the emergency. If you are not able to call up with your police box, so you are going to call up the grievance, and they are immediate basis where they are going to register your complaint, and they are going to reach where you are. You just have to handle that situation particular period of time till they are going to reach. So women grievance cells are there, where they are going to do this also. Though this can be in any cases, in your domestic violence also, social and your criminal violence also. Okay. So I wanted you to just go through this slide first. Just I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please go through this slide, effects and steps. Then we'll move further for the mass media, portrayal role in mass media for women.
Recording stopped.
Yeah, just go through this slide.
Recording in progress.
Let's start with the next concept, the new concept. I hope you have understood this too. Now, next concept of our is portrayal of women in mass media. What all role they have played by women in mass media. This we are going to see now in this. Okay. So there are two type of role which is been placed by the woman in mass media. The first is positive role and the next is negative role. Okay. these two types of role is being faced by the woman in the mass media. Now, positive role, how they highlight the woman-related problems, what all problems has been faced by the woman. So, what they do through the advertisement or through the campaign, they just highlighted the problem and make sure that this problem should not be faced by the woman. So, they just highlights the problem, whatever is being faced by the woman. Then next, what they do, social supports to the woman. They organize some campaigns in such a way that they give a social supports to the woman, especially NGO, government और NGO जो है, जो आगे आते हैं और socially support करते हैं women's को whatever they are facing in their life. Okay, so this can be happen against anti-dowry campaigns, against maternal and child care campaigns, concern for the girl child campaign. These all things are the social supports from they do it for on those days. Okay. Next is woman status in India. So nowadays, women are standing very good status in India. They are having a good status. Mass media maybe they are having good status, and they have highlighted that points their successful stories so that others are getting encouraged by that. They have given some example. Kiran Bedi, she is an IPS officer. Kiran Shaw, industrialist. Miss Indira Gandhi, politician. Mother Teresa, social work. Sania Nehwal, sports, etc. More, many more women are there who have created their success story in the society. Next, what you have is woman empowerment. Next, what we had is woman empowerment. Woman empowerment means what? This is been given a boost to a woman. Woman empowerment, especially, they had given a boost to a woman. How? They had made them to fight against injustice and social action. कुछ भी अगर injustice हो रही है woman के related, so they make women nowadays women are such a literally they are practice such a way, or we can say they have socially independent in such a way that they can themselves fight against all bad and social evil things what is happening. If any injustice is happening against women, she is now capable in such a way that she can stood by herself and fight for whatever injustice is happening against her. So this is a boosting, we can say an empowerment done for the woman. Many stories have been kept for the evil activities by the male members like alcohol, PK, marna and all. So what she do, she complain a file against the police and she let her husband to put it in the jail. जेल की हवा खाने के बाद वो थोड़े दिन के लिए तो एटलीस्ट सुधर जाते हैं. तो ऐसे करके अभी औरतें सुधार रही है. So this is what they are talking about, empowerment of women. Okay, like positive, you have a negative role also. The first point is depict in woman पुअर टेस्ट, मतलब बहुत वल्गर पार्ट में वुमन को पुट करते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट, स्पेशली वो सोप की एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड ऑल में दे जस्ट डू वल्गरेबल पार्ट्स इन दी एडवर्टाइजमेंट. वल्गरेबल पार्ट मतलब पोस्ट उसके जो होते हैं whatever she wear the cloth and the poses what she give out, that is not good. A poor taste we call that. Second is dramatized woman related violence programs are there. A good number of TV programs are there जहाँ पे बहुत ड्रामा क्रिएट जाता है, वहां से violence का साउंड आ जाता है. So that get an adoption or adoptions of such of rapes and all happenings due to this, and most of the program is getting encouraged by the youngsters. Okay, then publicity, derogatory remarks against women are there. So some radio stations and all they make out some channels की जहाँ पे वुमन के रिलेटेड पब्लिसिटी करते हैं, जैसे कोई लव गुरु एंड ऑल ये सब जो चैनल करते हैं जहाँ पे he literally boy says कि yes sir I have proposed to a girl but she rejected me, please help me, and that sir will say yes surely I'm going to help you. So these all are just publicity things which is wrong way, giving a wrong message in the society. So this they are talking about. Okay, so these are some negative role and positive role. Just go through this students once.
Recording stopped.
Okay,
Recording in progress.
we'll move further. The next topic which we are going to do is socio-economic problem of women in India. This is the problem which is faced by the woman in India. The first problem is low status of woman. Woman is not having a good status, malnutrition, practice of sati is there. Then female photos means बच्चियों को मार देना. Restrictions are there in certain communities for women related to education to move out of the house. Non-permission to the work in office by parents and in-laws are there. So these are the status which of woman which is been faced by the woman. प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इलिटरेसी, उनको एजुकेट ही नहीं किया जाता है. लिटरेसी रेट बहुत कम है वुमेन का, स्पेशली इन द स्टेट्स ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, उड़ीसा, यूपी एंड ओके. Then violence against women, many more violences are there. We have seen one whole concept of violence against women. The criminal violence है, social violence है, then domestic violences are there. Then wife beating, जहाँ पे husbands are beating wife due to any reason, whatever, whether she is in fault or not fault, she has been beaten, and it's not happening only in the lower but in upper and middle class also. Even well-educated ladies also has been accepted कि husband की मार खाना है. That's it. Wife bettering, the worst part in Indian society. Female foeticide is there, where a girl child is been killed after her death or before her death. When they come to know that this is a girl child, they just do an abortion. So before that, after that, when that girl child is been killed, literally. So this is, they think, they think about that male is an asset and female is a liability for them. This is the main reason for it. In the fear of dowry system, they do like that. Vows to widow, a critical situation was there previously and in some state now also for widows, where she is not allowed to roam. Not any good ceremonies like marriage and birth ceremonies, यहाँ पे लड़कियों को अलाउड नहीं किया जाता. लड़कियों का नहीं, सॉरी, विडोज को अलाउड नहीं किया जाता. अभी विडो कौन होती है? जिनके हस्बैंड मर जाते, वो विडो. ओके. Work problems at workplace, various harassments are been done at workplace. For the women, sexual harassments are there, inequality in wages are there, lack of opportunity given to the woman. So this all has been faced by the woman in workplace. Problem of single parent is also there. Single parent मतलब एक तो उसका husband छोड़ के गया रहेगा, divorce हुआ रहेगा, या फिर the husband is not there, he has died. So उस लेडी को अपने बच्चों को पालना इनकी सोसाइटी ऑफ अभी भी इज वेरी क्रिटिकल. नेबर्स बोलते रहते हैं, फिर उसको फैमिली मेंबर्स बोलते रहेंगे, उसको पेरेंट्स बोलते रहेंगे, इन-लॉज बोलते रहेंगे. इट इज वेरी क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन फॉर अ लेडी, a single parent family lady, to stand up in the society. Okay, especially when the cases of divorce. Limited participation in policies, politics are them. Women are having a limited participation, एक reserve seats होती है, उतने ही participation from women are there, rest of all are the male. So limitations of participations are there in central and state government in India. Just go through this and make sure कि whether you have understood each and every point. I'm giving you attendance link meanwhile.